Now today we're gonna play Dumb Ways to Die. So let's get to it. What? You only have one character. Play the game to blah blah blah. That was so easy. Don't press the red button. We can press other buttons. Yay, save the world. Wasp, freaking stop sitting around right there. Click the piranha. No! No! Oh, this one gonna have trouble. I hate tilties. Oh, first try. Faster. Oh, directly. Yay. I saved him. No! Oh, name menu. What's the character? It's a bear. I suck at those. No. Yay! Connect the balloon. Don't get ran over. That's not cool. I hate tilties. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't make it. Ooh, new character. I hate it when this happens. Who the heck is that guy? Okay, I'll do that. Tilties. Never take off your helmet in space, kids. Never. This is the one that died the last one. Get out of here. Taking too slow. Yay! Go, 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 Villager Rangers. Faster! I hate these. Yay! I died this one the last time. You all made it down safely. Please, put in your seatbelt. Tap, 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 tap. Faster. Ooh, I barely made it. Nailed it. Yeah, make it more faster. Like, no! My hands were too slippery. Aww. At least I got the new character already. How did he eat his eye? I got it everywhere. The new character. I really hate it when this happens. Who's it? Skeleton. I don't know who really. Yay. Wow. They love each other. They make a happy, great family for everyone. Faster. You're safe, lady. Ooh, I died these. Yay, good snake. Why does he have a snake as a pet? That's really... Ooh, yeah. Fasten your seatbelts. I will eat tilties. Boing, boing, boing. Never call while you're going into a train. Yeah, get your helmet. I don't have enough fingers. I didn't have enough fingers. You're safe, lady. Yay, I barely made it. 1,000. I almost made it. Almost, Mamacita. Who is it? Who the heck is that guy? 800 or more. Tilties. Give me back the balloons. I love balloons. Okay, jump. Boing. 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 Fast. Connect the wires safely. Yay! Oh god. Defend yourself from piranhas. Hey, never swim in a pool of piranhas. Stand back, bro. Yay, I made it. Boing. Aw. This guy made it so easy. Faster. Get your balloon safety. Boing, boing. Boing. No! Aw. Stand in front, not back. This one's gonna be really... Get on fire. Hey Mindy, who do I get? What's this? What is this? Is this the Dumb Ways to Die song? Okay, to die. That's about the end for this episode. Okay, that's about the end for this episode of Dumb Ways to Die. The next one I'll play Dumb Ways to Die 2. So, subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video. Peace.